Okay, this is a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan, 3.8 liter. But this is the power steering line. This is the pressure hose. This is the side that goes into the back of the pump. Got the long joint. Don't forget to put your O-rings on. It should come with 2 O-rings at the end. This is how it goes into. This is the problem side. It goes into the rack. All right, so I seen some videos on YouTube, and everybody uses like a crow's foot, and sometimes you got to take off the top line just to get room. And I found that if you drop that canister right there, I think you're gonna have to anyway, because you can't see. There's no room at all. So to get this canister out, there's 2 13s right there on the top. Then there's another 13 on this side, right there in that hole, and then and that's a 10 millimeter on the bottom. So that 10 you get from the bottom in there, you got to get you like a ratchet and wrench, and then come up right here, and this is where your canister, you know what I'm saying? You just get a ratchet and wrench, take these out. All right, there is your line, right? This your pressure hose. Whoa, right here. I already took it out. So you see what I did? I cut it. So it goes in there like that. Right there. But y'all bent the heat shield and everything. You still can't goddamn see the shit. So this go in the bottom right there. So what I did, I took this line. You're gonna take it out. So I just bent the line, you know what I'm saying, all the way this way and down. Then I took a damn sawzall, where you can get a cutoff wheel or whatever. Cut this, cut it off, bend it or whatever, boom. Then you can put a damn socket with an extension on it. And then you got a 10 millimeter right here on the bottom. You got a 13 right there. And you got another 13 right up in this hole. Right there. That little bracket right there. That's a 13. And then there's your power steering. Right up here. And then you can see the line right there. They go right into the back of the pump. I don't know if I'm looking at it or not right there, but yeah, that's it right there. This your line right here, right there, going to the back of the pump. Now you can get a 16 millimeter wrench, and you can get it from right down here on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Just reach your hand up in here, or you can get it from the top, and then, you know what I'm saying, just reach around the top to the back. But it's a lot easier to get it from the bottom. You can see it right through here from the back. So then, when you put it in, just make sure you thread it correctly so you don't cross thread it. But ain't no damn room, you know what I'm saying? The only way you're gonna get this view right here, because this is where the damn canister sits, the charcoal canister, where my camera's at. But you're gonna have to take that damn canister out. Anyway, this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan, 3.8 liter. All right, baby. This why you watch the videos, the pro tips, right? All right, check this out. Oil pan, right? The frame, there's the axle, right? Passenger side axle. You're gonna come up right through here with your left arm, right? With your left arm, and then boom, you're gonna reach right in there like that, and then you're gonna look with your eyes right through here, through this hole. So look, I'm taking my left arm, right? My left arm. See, I got my left arm right up here. Then you're gonna play with your line to get it lined up. You know, move it around, whatever. And this probably like, you know what I'm saying, the best way to get it from the bottom, probably the only way you're going to get it is doing it just like this. And once you got to thread it in, you know what I'm saying, and tighten it up, make sure you hand thread it all the way down though. Okay. It's the power steering pressure hose. 3.8 liter Grand Caravan. Peace.